Learning Clean Blueprint now is not about Unreal Engine 5 polish. It's about Unreal Engine 6 survival. Because every Unreal generation does the same thing. It rewards structure and punishes shortcuts harder than before. Unreal Engine 6 won't make blueprint obsolete. It will make bad blueprints impossible to ignore. And here's why that matters. Blueprints sit at intersection of design and engineering. When they are clean, they scale. When they are messy, they become invisible depth until a new engine exposes them. And Unreal Engine 5 already did this. Better profiling, more ASIC systems, heavier worlds. But suddenly, the graph that worked fine became bottlenecks, bugs, and maintenance nightmare. Unreal Engine 6 will push this even further with more multi-threading, more system running in parallel, more assumption that your logic is predictable, isolated, and readable. Messy blueprints don't fail loudly, they fail randomly, and that is the worst kind of failure in modern engines. Clean blueprint isn't about aesthetic, it's about intent. One graph, one responsibility, clear data flow, explicit ownership, minimum side effects. Those principles migrate cleanly across engine versions. They don't care about whether execution gets faster or slower, they stay understandable. And here's the real advantage people underestimate. Clean blueprints make engine upgrades boring. When Unreal Engine 6 arrives, created with disciplined graph won't panic. They will skim release notes, fix a few warnings, and move on. Everyone else will be looking through God graphs, trying to understand what broke. Epic is building Unreal towards scale and predictability. Clean blueprints aligns with that direction naturally. So learning it now isn't early, it's on time. Because Unreal Engine 6 won't reward people who knows the newest node. It will reward people whose logic can survive change. If you want an advantage in Unreal Engine 6 era, don't chase feature, build clarity. That advantage compounds and engines can't take it away.